vMotion of yourselves. But you guys have stuck in somewhere. Everything is over there only. So from where to where you guys tried?
From 132.
132?
125.
125 you tried. Okay. So let me explain to you this. Host is here. Host is here. Okay. Data store is here. Both hosts are connected to data store. Correct? Correct now? What is the vMotion checklist? vMotion checklist is there should be a shared data store. Correct? So let's call it as iSCSI. Correct now? I figured out why it was not listing the other ESXi host. The reason is no iSCSI 1 or iSCSI 2 shared across both hosts. This is Nandan host and this is Lohit host. Nandan and Lohit, they don't have same iSCSI. Do you agree with me? Name of the iSCSI is what? You mentioned 802 something like that. Do you agree? There is no, which means what? It thinks like a different ESXi host. But NFS is same. Do you agree with me? NFS all are same. Name of the NFS is NFS2. Understood? If you keep your virtual machine in NFS2, all other two ESXi hosts will be visible per destination. Are you getting my point? Let me repeat again. Nandan host and Lohit host. Lohit host, he kept his ESXi, iSCSI name as iSCSI. What is the name?
iSCSI.
Only. Okay, but this fellow Nandan has kept something like this iSCSI
188.
188 some story. Okay, that's why when it's supposed to migrate, right? It was thinking it's a different ESXi, data store. That's why it didn't show the destination host. Lohit and this fellow Subhash are friends. Only both of them are showing. Correct now? Do you agree with me? Because Subhash host, this is Subhash host. Subhash host is also point same iSCSI, that is this one. Correct?
Yes,
but this one is not pointed to this, correct? That's why it was not showing the host. I figured out that when I was climbing the step, I was thinking why it was not listing. Then I understood because it's not sharing the same host. Okay, now let me fix this issue. Okay, let me show you storage vMotion and then I will come to your vMotion issue. Okay, let me do this now. Have a look now. So Lohit VM is there. No, let me take this VM only as an example. Let me power off. I don't need to power off also. I can migrate on the fly. Can you see migrate option?
Yeah.
Migrate. Change storage only. Can you see this?
Yeah.
I should change from where to where?
32.
They storage from where to where I should change so that I should see all three hosts.
From iSCSI to iSCSI 188.
No. What you understood in this MS Paint which I opened? iSCSI to NFS. They bugger.
Other data.
So that NFS2 is common to all three ESX hosts, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Now I'll move this machine. Say it is migrating or not. It will migrate. Wait for a few minutes. Once it is migrated, I can move to any three host here. This is around 10 GB in size, but it's a thin provisioning. It will become like 2 GB. So 2 GB is transferring over network. Understood? Let it migrate. Meanwhile, let come to your story. So what did you try to do?
The physical.
Where to where you have tried?
132, 122.
123.5. Okay, let me see. 125 only one VMK0 is there. vMotion enabled, management is enabled, correct only. This we did at that time.
We modified in 130. We added
130 you modified. Wait. Two nicks are there. Enabled. Okay, it's connected like this. Okay. Why that there is a yellow mark, red mark here? Network uplink redundancy lost. You removed NIC card.
From VM kernel, he modified in between.
Okay, let me configure this. Hold on. Uplink means you removed one NIC card from uplink. Virtual switches. I should go to here. It will show you whether it is connected or not. Both are active only. Can you see? So I mean it was a error, it was not resolved. It's correct only. Now VMK0. This is correct only. VMK0 you enabled everything correct only.
Correct only, sir. But now if we add uplink, showing no physical links is available.
Because you already added. Only two NIC card available now. You already added now. How will you can add one more? Only two is there. VMNIC0, VMNIC1 already added.
Now I can perform.
You can perform, man. See, now it is migrated. Okay, can you see? Lohit VM is migrated to where? NFS data store. How to find? See now. Lohit edit settings. If I look into data store, it will show NFS now. See now. Storage, hard disk now. Where it is showing? Correct. Now let me try to migrate Lohit VM to any host I can do. Okay. Migrate, change compute resource. So now it should show 3. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Now it is in NFS. No, 3 are.
All 3 are shared data store. Understood? Subhash is searching something. Off and connect, man. Spark. Insurance you have?
Actually, he has connected. I don't know.
Okay, no problem. How big adapter? Which company is that, man? HP adapter? This one?
This one.
Lenovo. How big adapter? Okay, let's come back. See, you bugger fellow, you did correctly only. You did correctly and yes.
What happened? We got stuck in that why the another Nick is not getting the IP address. We got stuck there.
I told you right that Nick will not get IP.
It's a irrespective.
It will not get IP. I told you already. Right?
We unnecessarily.
You unnecessarily wasted a production time.
Yes. Down.
130, right? Where do you want to move? 125 you want to move? Okay, enjoy. Yes, it says compatibility issue. What is that? The input argument is that did not belong to the same data center. Bloody bugger. Okay.
Now we need to move.
125 simply dajak do mill.
Mm.
125 only, right? That message is gone. Can you see? Enjoy. It's moved. Check, go and check 125. It will be there. See, I'll show you. See, 125 right side also you can check. Virtual machine. See, logit VMS mode. Understood?
So actually, in the prerequisite, we will actually identify what are the main things first we will identify. Then we go for the migration. So
Yes.
Prerequisite, we did not write the data center. Data store we did written.
Write down.
We have written vMotion and
Add this point, please. All hosts should be in common data center.
prerequisite.
The database she has written, fourth point. It is actually data center. All hosts should be in same database you mentioned instead of data center. I've corrected now. That point only.
Actually, the fourth point is the data center.
Center. This lady has written database.
Sir, within data center.
Data center. Okay, do it now. Yensa your day. You should do storage vMotion also, vMotion also. 15 minutes I will give you. Do it fast. Then we should move to cluster. You understood, right? Concept. Since NFS is shared to all hosts, that's why it was showing.
So this name is allowed before giving. You should give common name.
Now you understood?
From mine it's done. From yours, no, we have mine. So mine is same day.
We are sending this is already. So after that, I will send to.
Mine is
So you are sending this. I will send this. Mine.
no,
You send this.
mine only.
To my data
host. This name we have been everyone has been same. This name ISTC I have given. You give ISTC 188 host. That is there. We cannot perform. You go to the this. It's already added. It's there. He has added one of we here you enable. It's already enabled. We have to no, that is not the one. You are changing to we can change it to VM network. No. VM itself, VM will change to VM network. check this name which start analyzing numbers, but name should be same by VM only. Okay. Now you for him also you will migrating. You select VM only, not production.
That is already selected.
No, no, leave recent directory while migrating. Now here everything is here. Post it, Windows is because we installed recently Windows. Windows